Hi, welcome to ESOL Grammar Resources. I'm Chris. Remember to press pause when you need to, and if I'm talking too quickly, you can slow the video down in settings. Let's get started. Today we'll be talking about UK currency. 1 pence, 1 pence, 1 pence, 2 pence, 2 pence, 2 pence, 5 pence, 5 pence, 5 pence, 10 pence, 10 pence, 10 pence, 20 pence, 20 pence, 20 pence, 50 pence, 50 pence, 50 pence, £1, £1, £1, £1, £2, £2, £2, £2, £5, £5, £5, £10, £10, £10, £20, £20, £20, £50, £50, £50. These are coins. These are notes. Okay, quiz time. Notes first. Which note is this? £20 note. Okay, let's try another. £5 note. Okay, coins now. What coin is this? £2. Let's try another. £50. Okay, one more. What coin is this? £1. Okay, that's it for today. Well done, everyone. See you next time.